Hey guys, Andrew here with the Reach Company. This tutorial is a general tutorial for our Church Essentials websites. In this tutorial, we are going to look at replacing the logos that I already have set in place for our Essential sites with the church logo that you have for your place. There's really two places that we have logos on our websites already set up, and that's here in the header. And if you scroll all the way down, we have them here in the footer. Every page is really made up of three different areas. You have all the content right here that makes up the actual page. You have the header area up top, and then you have that footer area at the bottom. And you'll see these when we hover over Page Builder at the top up here. You have the home page, and then you have these two areas, the header and the footer. The header and the footer, they're consistent across pretty much the whole site, and then each page has their own content. So we're going to start by clicking on Site Header. And this is going to pull up just the content that's in the header for us to be able to change around. And so we're just doing the logo in this tutorial. So you see when you hover over the image here, you get a blue box around it. We're going to click that, and it brings up the information for this image. You can see that it's a photo module. And so we notice right away the photo right here. We're going to go ahead and edit that. And I'm going to go ahead and drag in another image to use for our logo here. And that's uploading, and you can see it's uploaded. So I'm going to select the photo, and it's going to go ahead and throw it right there. And then you can change the size as well. I'm going to make this one smaller. And you can change the crop as well, make it square. And the other important thing here is the link. This is why I recommend just replacing the photo we have. We have the link set up for the URL, and it's set to go to the site URL, which is your home page. So no matter what page you're on, you click on the logo, and it goes back to the home page. And then we're going to click Save. And you see up here that it says Saved, and then Done and Publish. And see, we're going to click back on this, and it will have replaced the logo that we're using for the website right here. Next, we're going to change the one down here in the footer, and to do that, it's the same process. We're going to go to Footer, and as you can see, we can hover over this now. And so we're going to click this. We're going to edit it. I'm going to pull in another logo. I like the grayscale type white logo for the footer areas. I'm going to select the photo. It's going to replace it. As you can see, I have this link to the URL as well. I'm going to save that, publish it, and it's going to take me back to the home page. And if I scroll all the way down, you'll see that the logo is replaced there. So that's how we change the logo on Essentials websites. Hover over Page Builder, click Site Header or Footer, and edit that photo module.